doing here, bud? What are we doing?
I don't know.
We got the hood upside down. What do you think we're doing?
We're gonna pound it, dude.
I'm finding the dents on the hood. I got my hammer. I can do that, bud. You're supposed to watch, listen, and learn.
What?
Watch, listen, and learn. Watch, listen, and learn.
This is learning.
No, you're not. That's not watching, listening, and learning.
There's a lump right here.
I know that.
Welcome to D.I.Y. Automotive School with my friend Pete and Minnie, the body shop girl. It's everything you need to know about cars and more.
What we got here, bud, this is called a body hammer.
All right.
Okay? Go ahead. That's my body hammer. You don't fuck with my body hammer. If you want to use a body hammer, go buy your own body hammer. This is a very expensive body hammer. This is a precise, balanced body hammer you don't fuck with. You see what we got there? What is that called?
That's called dolly.
That's called a hammer dolly. Okay. Not the dolly that you roll around, okay, and take trash up with and take the dumpster. This is called a hammer dolly, okay? Right. It's got a nice good soft.
Okay. Hey, easy, dude.
What we're doing here, we're trying to find the dents, bud. Now
here's some over here.
Here's one right here that I'm looking at. Okay, so I'm going to take my flat end. You can hear when I hit it. See, you can hear it. Okay, so we're not really going to hit it. And we want to be very careful not to knock it too much, bud, like I just did. See what I'm saying? All we're doing is knocking out the dents, bud. And you can usually find them by the light, see? See what I'm doing here? So just because it's a hammer, you don't take the hammer and hit it like this, dude. Okay, this isn't construction work, okay? We're not putting a nail in a piece of fucking wood here, bud. See that dent right there?
Hey, can I try one?
No, you can't.
Why, dude?
Because you're watching and listening and trying to learn. Watch close, because you're going to have to buy one of these if you stay working here. Okay, we're going to take our hammer, and if you notice, I'm holding it way up here, bud. I'm not holding it back here.
All right.
Okay, I see a dent right there. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, I've already
seen it. Do you see how I got my hammer here? Watch this, bud. See there? Now if you feel it, it's still got... See? And what this is going to do, for us, it's going to save us from doing body work, bud.
Yeah.
Here's a little small one right here. Okay, now we're going to turn it over, Lucci. Can you turn that over, please?
Yes, sir.
It's still just a little high, so I'm going to take my flat end and my striker end.
Hey, dude, it looks like you're doing the Mexican tap dance, dude.
That one's ready. That's still a little high. I don't like that. fucking... Hoods are very, very hard to do, bud. Okay, there you go. We're gonna have just a small dent there because it's too high. Okay, that feels good. What you want to do when you're doing these dents, you want to take your hand and feel them. Okay, that one's gone. Check this side here now. Okay, here's a high spot right here where we're fucking with it. Hold the hood, Luch. Don't move the hood around, bud.
All right.
Okay. See, now I'm just letting the hammer bounce, bud. That's pretty good right there. Okay, looky right here. Feel that right there. Feel that, dude. Can you feel it? Okay, what do we got there? It's like something was in the trunk.
It's got a knot like my head, dude.
Hoods and trunk on a Volkswagen are very hard to fix, dude.
On any car.
Here's a dent right here. Get those off of there, bud. We're done with that. Okay, we got a dent right here that we dollied out. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our grinder, okay, and this is a used pad. This ain't a brand new one, okay? And we're also going to get our safety glasses on, Lucci. Back here, sir.
I can't see nothing from back
Right there. I'm going to be working my way up. You'll be able to see it, bud. And I'm just going to feel. I'm not going to mark it. Okay, I'm not going to put any marks on it. Okay, I just want to feel it with my hand.
Thanks for watching D.I.Y. Automotive School. Classes don't stop till you know everything.